That's it, Evie. Get in the fire.
Okay.
Burning leaves. I think that's against ordinance.
I love the smell of burning leaves. That's like every if you go to like I don't know how to explain it, like a girly section of a store and they have candles. It's like they have like the most wonderful smells. Like, you know, they have like Candy Workshop or like Chocolatier Factory, but you go to like the men's like side of the store and it's like burning leaves.
Smells like feet and gym bags.
Burning leaves. Fucking.
It smells like Mantown. Oh my
Rotten acorns.
Run.